Hey guys, watching Volgor's videos, and found this on eBay, and kind of splurged a bit, bought some lighters. My last review was on the pencil torch, so it works good. And this is a lot smaller than I expected. I expected it to be like, about the size of this, maybe a bit smaller, like pretty much the same size, but a little bit thinner, maybe a tiny bit shorter. But I didn't. Yeah, this is tiny. Look at that. It's tiny. Okay. Compared to a Bic, here's your typical Bic. It's like over an inch shorter, and it's, you don't know how much you can really notice, but it's, see how much thinner it is in that Bic. It's like 2/3. I don't know. It's pretty small, but of course the lighters don't come filled, so I filled it up with my butane. And you open it up, and it's got the butane squirting out, and there you go. Pretty awesome. Works pretty good. I sent a message saying I wanted green, but whatever. I got black. Black does look pretty darn sweet. Looks pretty badass if you ask me. But it is hardcore Chinese. I mean, when you get it, it's got instructions. It says shipped from Hong Kong, and it says a bunch of Chinese letters. But so far I'm pretty proud of it. I'm gonna test it out with my pipe. So it works pretty good. Let's adjust it. Where's my screwdriver? Where'd it go? Here's one. Goes as low as it goes until it's, well, dead. That's like all the way in. Turn it back up. Goes about that high, and then, yeah, I can't ride that high. If I have it any higher, it'll just go, and then it'll like pop out. So you don't want any higher than that. Frankly, it's a little too much if you ask me. I mean, it's a cool thing to, hey, check out my lighter. Cool, let's try this. Poof, and then there's, you know, in the face. And then it goes down. So what's up with that? So that's down. Oh, maybe it's just getting low. Because when I twist it anymore, you can see right there, it's starting to poke out. See? Yeah, that's all the way up. Surprised it hasn't popped out yet. So let's squeeze that back in there. So far, I am pretty impressed with it. You know, for $3, it looks a lot more expensive than what it appears to be. You can really impress your friends or your, I don't know, people you want to impress that aren't your friends to become your friends. Let's refuel it really quick. The one thing I don't like about this lighter is the little inlet thing. You stick the juice in. It's not the perfect size, so it will spray on you unless you have the adapter. See? And it got all over me. I know it's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to have the exact right tip, but you don't know where it is right now. But there you go. It works pretty good. It's not windproof by any means, but maybe it's a good thing, because one without a safety, if you drop it, you kind of want it to turn off. At least, do you want to torch up people's houses on fire? And it works first time every time. But it seems like the flame... Yeah, it's out. I need to get the right tip, I think. There we go, Mr. Keyboard. Whoa, mama! Let's turn that down a bit. I got fuel in there that time. Doesn't seem like it holds that much. I just fueled it up, but then it's like a little low already. Where did I put the screwdriver? There it is. Turn it down a bit more. Holy moly! Still too much. A little bit less. There you go. So, there you have it. If I'm going to give this a rating on my first impressions, I'd give it a 4 out of 5. It's pretty awesome. There's no sharp edges. It's very sleek. Let's just get that in the light. Dolphin. Seems to be a pretty good brand for cheap Chinese stuff. You can see my finger grease. It's like a charcoal black gray color. I like it. It's pretty awesome. It's about the same size as a flash drive. I mean, you could actually probably get away with having this in school. You know, if a teacher sees this, I'm talking about in high school. You know, in college, probably nobody cares. But you know, if you got like something like this or a big sitting out in a class and you're in high school, then a teacher can be like, "Oh, what's that? Are you smoking? Give me that. I'm gonna take that away from you." But with this, they're probably gonna assume it's a flash drive and probably not fuck with you, you know. But works. The only thing about this is that I don't think it holds that much unless I didn't do it right, because I didn't have the right adapter, you know. Let's turn down a bit more. Yep. So yeah, I recommend it. It was $3 on eBay. That's free shipping. Look it up. Dolphin lighter. They make a bunch of other ones. I wanted green because I thought green would be awesome. Like lime green. I thought it would stand out nice. It'd be easy to find in the dark. Easier than, you know, charcoal gray. But whatever. This looks cool. Yeah. 4 out of 5. Check it out. It's just so tiny though.